Hello students, this is exercise number 5 of the Progressive Monthly Magazine March 2022 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. It gives me special pleasure to be here at this meeting. I must say that I was very much attracted by the name of this organization when I first heard of it, because it is something which, at this moment of our development, we are very much in need of. Enterprise is perhaps the greatest of our national needs. Enterprise in agriculture, in industry, in science, and even in matters of civic initiative, in combating social evils such as communal friction and other types of frictions and tensions which arise from time to time, which threaten our unity, which threaten our progress, and sometimes threaten even our very survival. This is hardly the place to dwell on some of these tensions, although they have a very vital bearing on the progress of our industry. In today's society, in today's changing society, the new elite are the entrepreneurs and the technologists, and in the situation which exists in our country, these two have a very special responsibility to society. As you have rightly mentioned in your address, this is not only in the interest, in the patriotic interest of the welfare of larger sections of the people, but looking at the question from a very narrow practical point of view also, it is in the interests of all that one should take a stand on the issues and work for the solution of these problems, because these tendencies, whether it is the communal tendency considering one citizen big merely because of his religion to be more patriotic than all others, denying people the right to live where they want to in the country or to work where they want to, weaken the fabric of the nation. No industry can prosper and no development can take place unless there exists the proper atmosphere, the atmosphere of unity and of working together. As you know, we have made tremendous progress in industry since our independence, but we have come to a stage when industry needs a special push. Not that we want to lessen the importance of agriculture, because our very lives are dependent on it, and industry itself is dependent on agricultural progress. We cannot make history by repeating the experiences of others. We have to be willing to forge out our own path, make our own mistakes, and learn from our own mistakes, and from the mistakes go on to achievements.